Hello, welcome back to Python programming. Now we'll see in the next topic. So here we are discussing strings, right? Now, okay, these string methods are completed. Here the next one in the string is, let us discuss what is the for loops in the strings. Okay, just see. So for any applications writing a loop program, the for loop is better way. Okay, now just write down for loop. Okay, let us say for I in, that also we need to understand. Okay, let us write the Python Python programming Python programming, like you can write, so colon, you have to give colon, and yeah, you need to take indentation. Now print I, yes, just print this one. Yeah, you can write, just print this one. You can understand how things are going on. Okay, in the strings. Okay, in the strings concept only we'll discuss again. Okay, let us write okay, for loop, and here the indentation is follow like this. Okay, now just save, open command prompt. Okay, cd, now just write Python string. Just see here, Python program. Okay, the Python program that is printed, that is every character by character will be printed in the for loop if you write like this. Okay, so this is a way we can use for loop in the strings actually. So one more thing we need to understand, let us say we want to count the number of so piece in this string. For that, how we can write program, and just we can take the counting. So count is equal to 0 initially. Now put this here, and here if okay, if I is equal to p, then you need to write count is equal to count plus 1. Count is equal to count plus 1. So print count. So where you need to write count, print count. You need to write count, this print count at this place. Okay, this way you can see the number of pieces are 1, 2. Yes, 2 pieces, right? Okay, we will print this. Okay, just see. Yeah, here the p is a, yeah, the right. Okay, what you need to expect, colon also, the if also we need to expect colon, here also we need to get colon, here also colon. Okay, save, just see here the value, the number of p's are 2 p's are there. Okay, so this is, so for loop you can be generally used when an application contain in a string contains some characters. Let us say, so how many times a particular character is repeated. If you want to know such situations, we can use for loops for a strings.